Morning children, we have discussed two lessons of the flamingo. Last lesson, last spring, and today I am going to start the third lesson of the book Flamingo Deep Water, written by William Douglas. This story has been taken from a book written by Mr. Douglas of Man and Mountains. And this is an extract from that book. The book is itself an autobiography of विलियम दुगल. विलियम दुगल की आत्मकथा में इन्होंने अपने जीवन की अनुभव के बारे में बताया है और इस कहानी के माध्यम से यह बताया गया है कि जीवन में भिन्न भिन्न परिस्थितियों के साथ हम लोग जीवन यापन करते हैं और जीवन के विभिन्न भिन्न परिस्थितियों में भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के भय का सामना करना पड़ता है. इस पाठ के माध्यम से लेखक जल के भय को प्रदर्शित करना चाहते हैं. तो जल के भय को हाइड्रोफोबिया कहते हैं. उसी तरह से बहुत सारे कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट फोबिया हैं जिसके बारे में हम लोगों को जानना चाहिए. जैसे कि So this lesson is deep water and we are going to give the introduction first. The story has been taken from the author's autobiography of Man and Mountains. This is an extract from it. In this piece, William Douglas himself tells about his fear of water and how he conquered it by determination and willpower. Now, let us go for the analysis of the title. The title Deep Water involves two words. One is deep and another is water. Let us look at these words. That the river is deep, he has deep knowledge, you are a deep one. So in different situations, in different sentence, the meaning of deep is different. But here, deep water means the deepness of a river and well. So here we are directly related to the deep water means the river related to deep is related to a river or well. Here it is related to river. Now another word is water. Water is essential for life and the gardener waters his plants. So this is the use of water in different parts of his speech. The author in this lesson talks about his fear of water. When we come across different situations of life, we find various kinds of fears in human life and society. There are some important common phobia, but the phobia for which the author suffers is known as hydrophobia, that is related to water. We have some other phobia also. Hydrophobia of dog, that is cynophobia. Fear of insect, that is entomophobia. Fear of snake, ophidomophobia. Fear of a storm, astrophobia. And fear of fish, acrophobia. So these are the common phobia that we must learn. And again we go for the theme of the lesson. What is the theme? The theme is to acquaint the readers that it is not death but the fear of death that scares one and all. We must fight the fear, otherwise it will overpower us. Moreover, past memories can leave an indelible impact on human mind. So let us come now for the central idea. In Hindi I speak out the thing. करत करत अभ्यास के जरमती होत सुजान रसरी आवर जाते शिल्पे परत निशान. This is the philosophical aspect of this lesson. It also reflects that man wants change and novelty in life. Change brings happiness and kills boredom of monotonous existence of human life. It absolutely holds good for William Dougal. Here, by giving some important, useful, dogmatic ideas such as where there is a will, there is a way, practice makes a man fact, which is applicable in the character of William Dougal. The lesson has some moral lesson, just I have listed out it. A struggle is life. If you have desire to reach your goal, you can achieve the cherished goal of your life through your hard work, dedication, sacrifice, perseverance, willpower, and strong mental determination. So, these are the moral lesson of the story, and a little bit have a reflection of the justification of the title that I want to point out here. The title Deep Water, chosen by the author, is apt, justified, and suitable. The author recounts his fear of swimming following an incident in which he had been swept away by a sea wave in his childhood. Another incident which further aggravated his fear was when a bully pushed him into the deep side of a swimming pool and he nearly drowned. But slowly he overcomes his fear through determination and willpower. He even took the services of an instructor. He swam in different pools and overcomes his fear. Thus the title is appropriate and didactic. Means the author had fear of water. By dint of his hard labor and persistence toil, he could come over this fear and become an expert swimmer. This is the and reflection of the story. Tomorrow I will give a summary of the story and important questions of various models. Thanks.